In this video, I'm going to talk about the related function in DAX. Again, this is the Northwind dataset. If we come to our model view, you'll see this products table and this order details table, and there's a one-to-many relationship between the two of them. With the related function, you can access certain columns on the one side of the relationship and then use them in the many sided relationship. So for example, if you wanted this product name column that's on the one side of the relationship, you can use the related function to get that column or access that column and use it in the order details, which is the many sided relationship. So we go to the table view and we come to our order details table here. We can click on new column. This will be named product name equals, start typing in related tab. So you have your related function and you want to access the product name in the products table. Hit enter. And now you have the product name from the products table inside of your order details table using the related function. Now this is a very simple case, but and here we're using a text column, but if you wanted to access a numeric column in the products table and get it into here, or even take that numeric column in the products table and multiply it or do some type of math with a column in here, you're able to do that with the related function. In another video, I'll show you how to do more complex calculations or calculated column with the related function. But for now, this is how you would use the related function in a simplified case.